All it does is straight.
What day is it? Day 51 today. Got no idea what my mileage is. I'll stick something up in the corner of the video later. But we're at Surrey Rolling Road today with Reg.
There she is.
He's 140. So your car, Reg.
Yeah.
What's it got on it?
So it's got the full Remus race exhaust.
So full Remus race exhaust.
Yep.
Let's have a look at that.
K&N panel filter in there.
K&N panel filter as well. So we've got. There we go. Carbon tips. And what do we think, Charlie?
350, 360.
Mine was 360. This has got an exhaust and filter on it.
362.
There we go.
But I was impressed with the figures this engine's doing. It's got a lot of potential.
Make some numbers.
This engine's it's forged.
Yeah, I mean 400 off the standard turbo.
Yeah.
400 is a piece of bits really. 420, 430.
Just JB
450.
Yeah.
I've had 480 out of them.
Really?
Methanol, yeah.
And now his one was making 745 newton meters.
Yeah, about 550 foot-pound, yeah.
That's ridiculous. That's like M5 torque.
That's mental.
Well, standard.
Yeah,
Not
standard.
when
Yeah.
M5.
Yeah,
When you
of
make an M5, they do about 680.
I know.
That's ridiculous.
It seems to be like these 140s. Every one makes slightly different power.
They're all different. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
All in 357.
Some
was
are
a
less,
good one.
some more.
I've had them do 330. I've had them do 340.
Really?
I've had them do 350. I've had the highest I've ever done was 375 on stock car.
Stock?
Yep. Yeah, they vary all over the place.
Maybe it's fuel quality or something.
Yeah, could be.
And how they're broken
Well,
in,
I
maybe?
think probably they've changed the software over the years as well.
Okay. I'm happy with that.
That's alright, yeah.
Yeah.
Less than yours then, right? Only slightly.
That's the two of them overlaid.
Okay, thank you. That's interesting.
Yeah, almost. I mean,
They're pretty much identical.
I think it needs a remap to utilise the modifications on it personally.
Yeah?
I think so, yeah.
right, there's yours,
Thank you very much.
and there's.
Thank you. Thank you.
Nice.
Nice. 354, nothing wrong with that.
No, not at all. Not at all.